How to change Uber profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Uber profile picture or how you can change your display picture on Uber app. Now the process is actually quite simple. If you are a rider, all you have to do is you'll have to open up the Uber app here, and here you'll get an interface like this. At the bottom you can see home, services, activity and account option. Simply tap on the account option there and you'll get an interface like this. Now at the top right corner you can see the little profile option there. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will prompt you to this page. And now here, along with the profile option, you can see the little edit option there. You can see the pencil icon. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to upload photo. You can see your profile photo is visible to everyone across Uber products. Simply tap on update photo and you'll be able to choose a photo from your device to upload. So this way you can easily change your Uber profile picture or display picture. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.